Hey guys, today is probably the most exciting video we have filmed yet, right? So we are here today to introduce you guys to the newest member of our family. We got a puppy. Why is it not focusing on her? She is literally the cutest thing ever. She looks like an actual teddy bear. Like, she does not look like she's even real life. But her name is Lady, and she is a 10-week-old red toy poodle. This is basically the dog of my dreams, like the dog that I've dreamed of having forever. She is so cute and so good already. Getting a dog was something that we wanted to do for a while now, but we just figured with how much we travel and just how busy we are, we wouldn't be able to make it a reality, because if we got a dog, like, we both wanted to take it pretty seriously and like be able to be home to train it and like just spend time with it and not just get a dog and then leave. So this was something that was a huge decision for us that we have thought about for months and months. And we finally decided that we're kind of ready to slow down a little bit with traveling. I feel like this piece of hair is gonna annoy me in the entire video. We're obviously not done traveling forever. Like, traveling will always be a huge part of our lives and we still want to do it, but just to maybe cut back on it a little bit so that we can be at home more and just slow down a little bit.
This is our second day with her.
Yeah.
We picked her up yesterday.
So I feel like we're gonna get questions. So we found her online and we flew to go and get her. She did so good. Like, it was a really long travel day. We were in the car, we were on a plane, and she did so good. She's just staring like into my soul right now. But she did so good, and she was like pretty much calm for the majority of the day. And just like, I mean, she was probably in a little bit of shock just because it's like a new environment and stuff, but she has done really well so far.
Right now, we are currently trying to potty train her, house train her, get her used to her crate.
And just everything that comes with having a new puppy. Puppies are a lot of work, which we knew going into it. We have to like wake up multiple times a night to let her go out and go to the bathroom and basically be watching her 24/7 to make sure that she is not getting into anything, chewing anything, peeing on the floor. Like, so it's a lot of work, but poodles are extremely smart dogs, so I'm really excited because I feel like it will be fairly easy to train her. She's already really smart, and we can tell just by like the little things. So we installed a like doggy door thing. We'll actually go down and show you guys, but she already knows how to like go in and out of it, kind of. I mean, it's only the first day and she's already getting it.
She knows that that's how she gets in and out.
Yeah.
Which is good. So
we don't even let her go through like the normal door. We're just letting her go through the doggy door to like get her used to it.
She's so sleepy.
Yeah. She's so cute. So yeah, that's our lives right now. We are just puppy training and we are home for a little bit.
We're puppy parents.
We're puppy parents.
Our parents have a granddogger.
A granddogger. That is a name that Leif coined. You should try and put that in the dictionary.
It's probably a thing.
Oh, I have to sneeze.
She's like our little baby because of her red curly hair.
Yeah,
JC has the red hair, I have the curly hair.
Today I have the curly hair, but this is not natural.
Today I have the hat.
Yeah, I say it looks like me and Leif had a child. She just fits right in with the family with the red curly hair. But yeah, we love her so much already. She is seriously like, I feel like she's the perfect fit for us already, even though it's only been one day. She just has like such a sweet, calm temperament, but she's still really playful. Oh yeah, the people on the plane, the flight attendants.
Yeah, like it is like because we don't think properly and we're not ourselves.
We're like obsessed with her. They actually took her to the back to like show her to all of the flight attendants, and they came back over and they're like, oh, we actually renamed her Pumpkin because like she's kind of a pumpkin color. And so we said, okay, we will make that her middle name. Kind of kidding, kind of not.
Should we show them her favorite position?
Oh yeah. She loves this so much. She will literally lay like this all day, just on her back. She loves getting her belly rubbed. I'm pretty sure all dogs like that, but she seriously like will come up to her and she'll be sitting down and then she'll just roll over on her back so that we will like rub her belly, and it's so cute.
Did we say how old she is?
Yeah, 10 weeks. I think I said that. So I feel like I've been kind of MIA on social media lately, and this is a big reason why, because we've been prepping and then going to get her and planning and training her. I have a feeling we'll be pretty sleep deprived for the next few weeks, but after that, hopefully it'll be more smooth sailing, but it'll be worth it. I really am like adamant that she's trained well, just because I don't want a puppy that like jumps on people or I don't know, just that, yeah, is not well behaved. So I'm like really trying to be super diligent about training her and just making sure that she is the best she can be. So we're super excited.
My little ladies.
Leif always calls me lady. Like he always called me lady, so now it's just, now we're your ladies. Say hi. Oh, her ears flipped. You guys, she's so cute. Look at her face. Also, she is so much tinier than I ever imagined. Like, I knew she was gonna be small, but then when I saw her in real life, I was shocked at how tiny she was. She's just a little thing.
And you can't really tell right now, but she has such a fun personality.
Yeah, she's so chill right now.
Like just her own unique little personality. She's so fun.
She's really fun. And
she's really sweet.
Yeah, she is. Anyway, that is going to be it for our video. Sorry this is kind of short. Obviously, you guys will be just in our upcoming vlogs. You will see her and we will give you guys updates. But we just wanted to introduce her to the vlog fam. So that is going to be all for our video today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And we will see you guys very soon. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.